In this quick video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can buy and ship from China using Alipay, Tourcard, and your Pinduoduo app without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to procure on Pinduoduo app with your Alipay Tourcard. So with that being said, so let's start the tutorial and see how you get it done, step by step tutorial. Well, but before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure your link on 1688, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on Taobao, or you want me to procure your link on Pinduoduo, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to use Alipay Tourcard to purchase on Pinduoduo. So a brief overview about people that doesn't know what Alipay Tourcard is all about. Alipay Tourcard is a mini app in Alipay that allows you to top up with your foreign MasterCard or Visa card or JC card. So once you top up the account, it exchange the fund into yuan. So the yuan, you can use the fund on your Alipay Tourcard to purchase on Pinduoduo or 1688 or Taobao or any Chinese e-commerce platform that accepts Alipay as a means of payment. So in this video, we are going to see how to purchase on Pinduoduo using your Alipay Tourcard. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I have already had all the products to card on this account. So if you don't know how to add a product to cart on Pinduoduo, kindly check the video on my channel and see how to add a product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your profile. So it takes you to your profile page. So the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you click on here to see the products. So it's going to load up all the products in your cart. What you want to do is to make sure you just have to click on here to select each of the products. Click on here to select each of the products you want to purchase. So I need to buy this one, and I'm going to select this one also. Then I will scroll down. I'll make sure I select this, and I'll make sure I select this, and I will make sure I select this. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay Tourcard. So it's going to take you to the preview right here. You can easily scroll down and check all the products properly. So once you confirm that everything is right, next thing you need to do is to make sure that you click on here to proceed to payment. So your Alipay is going to connect. So at this point here, what you need to do here for you to make payment with your Alipay Tourcard, so you have to select your card. That's the first thing you need to do right here. So you can see. All right, so at this point here, you need to select your Alipay Tourcard. So I'm going to use this card right here. I will select on this. So for me to do that, I will just tap on here. Then you can see that the card has been updated right here. So finally, I will come down right here and click on confirm. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I enter my payment password. I'll click on here to add password. Then at this point here, I will have to enter my payment password. So once you enter the payment password, the payment is going to be successful, just like what you see right here. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on done at the top right here. Click on done. So by the time I refresh my Pinduoduo profile right here, the product is going to move right here, just like what you see right here. So we have the product here and here also. So if I click on here right now, you're going to see all the products we just purchased with our Alipay Tourcard on Pinduoduo. So here we go. These are all the products we just purchased on Pinduoduo with Alipay Tourcard step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to coach you step-by-step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And lastly but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials about importation business like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.